Hey friends, welcome back to Pretty and Perfect. In this video, we are going to see how to make ragi idiyappam. Here are the ingredients: ragi flour, water, salt, coconut milk, and sugar. Take a glass of water in a bowl and place it on the stove and add some salt to it for taste as required and allow the water to boil for some time. Once the hot water is ready, add water little by little to the ragi flour and mix it well. Make sure you mix it well without any lumps and make sure the flour is loose enough and not very tight so that it will be easy for you to squeeze it. Once the mixture is ready, add it to the idiyappam maker and start squeezing. Here we are using only idli plates, so just apply some oil to the plates and start squeezing the flour onto the plates. Once the plates are ready, place it in the idli cooker and allow it to be on steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Open the cooker after 5-10 minutes and yup, the tasty ragi idiyappam is ready now. Serve it hot on a plate with coconut milk and sugar. You will enjoy the taste. Try it at your home and share your comments in the comment box. Try it at your home and definitely you will like it. Like and share our videos and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.